4 класс, английский язык, Звездный английский, домашнее задание, урок 52, часть 1, страница 114, 115, 116, 117. English Starlight 4, homework, lesson number 52, part number 1, page number 114, 115, 116, 117. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look marvelous. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Neither have you. You look marvelous. So do you. You look wonderful. So do you. You look terrific. So do you. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 114. 114. Exercise number 1. Which line is longer, guess, than measure? Какая линия длиннее? Угадай. Затем измерь. The answer. They are identical. Они одинаковые. Exercise number 2. Which is bigger, guess, than measure? Какой больше? Угадай. Затем измерь. The answer. They are identical. Они одинаковые. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Which man is the strongest? Какой мужчина самый сильный? The answer. Number 3 is the strongest. Номер 3 самый сильный. My dear friends, do exercise number 4. Which car is the fastest? Чья машина самая быстрая? The answer. Number 2 is the fastest. Номер 2 самый быстрый. Read the sentences. What is bigger when new but gets smaller with use? The answer. Что больше, когда новое, но становится меньше при использовании? The answer. Rubber. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 115. 115. Troll tales. Exercise number 1. Listen and read the story. Сказка троллей. Упражнение 1. Послушай и прочитай историю. Listen and read the story. Hey, where's the table? I don't know. It was there an hour ago. Where's the armchair? Trog, there was a vase on the table, wasn't there? Look. So it was Popsy. Yes, there was. That's really strange. Girl Popsy. Where are our things? Happy cleaning, boys. Hee hee. Go, you little monster. Now take rolls and read. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 116. 116. Happy New Year. Exercise number 1. Let's make a New Year's rattle. Счастливого Нового года! Давай устроим новогодний треск. Number 1. Take a plastic bottle. Number 2. Cover it with paper. Number 3. Put dried beans, peas, etc. inside. Decorate with glitter, ribbons, etc. At midnight, run outside and make a lot of noise. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Let's sing. Давай споем. Happy New Year! Happy New Year. Let's have fun. Let's have fun. Goodbye to the old year. Hello to the new year. Hooray, 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 hooray. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 117. 117. Exercise number 3. New Year's news from all over the world. Новогодние новости со всего мира. Portuguese New Year. People in Portugal eat 12 grapes as the clock strikes 12 on New Year's Eve. This is for 12 happy months in the coming year. Scottish New Year. The Scottish New Year is called Hogmanay. Special foods at this time of year are cheese, bread, and shortbread, a kind of biscuit. The person most welcome on New Year's morning is a tall, dark man. This brings good luck to the house. Russian New Year. In Russia, Santa Claus is called Grandfather Frost. He arrives on New Year's Eve with his bag of toys. He usually wears blue or red, sometimes even white. Russian children dance around the tree, tell rhymes to Grandfather Frost, then open their presents. The Russian meal on New Year's Eve is usually grilled duck or chicken with apples, a lot of pies and a salad called Olivier. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето, summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима, winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.